Hey guys, welcome to the video. It is Sunday. It's a nice bright day out there, and I do have this. Okay, so we're going to take this apart, and I already did remove the screws and both of the posts at the bottom, and this is a, if we can just zoom in on there. I just want to harvest the electronics from it. I'm using my tablet. I always like to find a date. Okay, made in Vietnam. TCL. That's interesting. I've never heard of that company. But TCL in this California. There's usually a date on here somewhere. Sorry, oh yeah, February. See, look, this isn't even that old. February 2024. Okay, so this is a Roku TV, and let's just see if we can get it. I don't know what happened. Oh, sorry. Okay, what's this? Okay, so I did remove that stuff. So this is a TCL. Why is it all blurry? Sorry. Okay, we're still going. It still looks so blurry. Okay, but I did get it. Let's just see what's inside of this. So it is a Roku TV. And what was happening with this is this side of the screen was broken or disturbed. So the electronics work in it, but I'll just let it fall apart because I have one hand. But I want to harvest. I don't want to throw away. Okay, they still have the tape on it. See, look how new it was. Did I miss a screw? Of course. Yeah, let's get that one out. Okay, yeah. So I always try to harvest anything I can out of these. Made in Vietnam, made just not too long ago. Oh yeah, that's very nice. We could save that, sell that on eBay. Is that all that's there is? Speaker, and is this the Wi-Fi or the what is this? It's the, it comes apart right there. I'm not 100% sure. That's what it is though. My nails. I'm sorry about my nails. Okay. Mac ID thing. Okay. Well, this is, look how simple this stuff is nowadays. So, I just wanted to show you guys this. I will take this. I will take the speakers out. Speakers. And this, there's not that much going on there. Is there more? Do you think there's more in there? I don't know. Let's just put it like this. Let's see what's going on with this. Yeah, we'll take this off. So this does work. This does work because it's just the screen that's broken. So I mean, potentially you could order a new screen, but as cheap as these are, we were walking through Walmart and we saw just, like 75-inch, 66-inch, so cheap. I forget the prices. I mean, it was just, but we're not even close to the shopping. How many shopping days left until Christmas? You're like, no, we have lots of shopping days. It's not even, we just had, but the prices are coming down. But I saw, I was watching on YouTube on the Gamers Nexus, they were talking about how much the memory chips were increased probably because of the sorry, I've been up all night, because of the GPU or the AI, but the memory chips, and then I like the new MacBook Neo. I really want that just because I don't do that much on there. Okay, so here's what we harvested. Very nice with the plug, and we have the remote, and then we have the speakers. There's nothing else in there. Let's see how these speakers are attached to that. Wow, it's just attached. Manhandling this. That's a nice speaker. That's a nice little speaker. 6 ohms, 10 watts, times 2. And then this one. So we do have, that's what we harvest out of this. So thank you for watching, and we'll have more art and more electronics. But you see a TV like this, you could potentially harvest this if you know what you're, don't electrocute yourself. Mr. Carlson will tell you you don't want to go in there right after you plugged it in. But I'm sure these aren't even, these capacitors aren't even like, it's not even like the old vacuum tube TVs, the tube TVs and stuff that would hold. Like, look at how it's changed. It's just incredible. And we did get, what was that manufacturing date? And the good people of Vietnam, serial number. So, I mean, you could potentially sell this. I mean, I wonder, you could look it up, because I know this works. This board works. So, usually it is the LCD or the liquid crystal display that has broke or just become disassembled, but not always. Usually the screen is the thing that gets smashed or hit. But still, this board could sell, but it would be better if it was Sony or Magnavox or something like that. But anyway, 8K is 8K is already here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this, what was in here, Roku. But I want to save this and maybe we can test that.